Welcome to Aria's Enchanted Adventures. Join Aria on captivating journeys filled with wonder, imagination, and the power of nature. Subscribe now and let the enchantment begin. Episode 14, The Lost Rainbow. In the heart of Wisdomwood Forest, where the ancient trees whispered tales and the air hummed with ancient magic, a new chapter unfolded in Aria's journey, The Lost Rainbow. This enchanting tale not only promised excitement and wonder, but also carried profound lessons that echoed through the very fabric of the forest. One serene morning, as Aria and her companions embarked on their explorations, a disquieting realization settled upon Wisdomwood. The vibrant rainbow, once a beacon of joy and harmony, had vanished from the sky. Its absence cast a subtle melancholy over the forest, as the colors that once danced in the sunlight now lay dormant. Determined to restore the magic that the lost rainbow brought, Aria set forth on a quest guided by whispers of the wind and the secrets held by the ancient trees. The forest itself seemed to respond, revealing mystical clues that hinted at the rainbow's whereabouts. As Aria journeyed deeper into the heart of Wisdomwood, she encountered creatures whose once bright colors had faded in the absence of the rainbow's embrace. The feathers of the forest birds had lost their luster, and the flowers stood in silent protest, their vibrant hues subdued. Realizing the profound impact the rainbow had on the harmony of Wisdomwood, Aria understood that its disappearance had disrupted the delicate balance of nature. Fueled by empathy and a sense of responsibility, she delved into the mystery behind the lost rainbow, determined to bring back its enchanting colors. Her quest led her to the Whispering Grove, a sacred space where ancient trees held the collective memories of the forest. There, she discovered that the rainbow had become trapped in the realm between reality and dreams. It longed to return but required the collective goodwill and unity of the forest's inhabitants to break free. Aria, the natural leader that she was, inspired the creatures of Wisdomwood to set aside their differences and embrace the beauty of diversity. Together, they formed a vibrant chain of colors, each creature contributing a unique hue. The collective energy resonated through the forest, creating a magical bridge that allowed the rainbow to return to the sky. As the first rays of sunlight pierced through the forest canopy, the lost rainbow arched across the sky, painting it with its resplendent colors. The forest rejoiced, and the inhabitants, now radiant with the rainbow's magic, understood the profound lesson it had taught them: the beauty of diversity and the strengths found in unity. The lost rainbow was a celebration of diversity, unity, and the transformative power of collective goodwill. Aria's journey continued to be a beacon of inspiration and education, ensuring that Wisdomwood Forest remained a sanctuary where magical stories and meaningful life lessons harmonized like the colors of the sky. Stay tuned for more magic tales as Aria's adventure unfolds, bringing captivating stories and timeless lessons to life. Wisdomwood Forest remains a realm where magic and meaning intertwine. Until our next encounter, may your days be as vibrant and magical as a restored rainbow. Thank you for